Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to restrict someone on Messenger. If there's a particular person you want to restrict, this is how you're going to do it on your Messenger. So guys, let's dive in. The first step you're going to do is open your Messenger. And the second step is for you to come to this three-line button, click on the three-line button, and the next step is open this your settings. Then next step we're going to do is scroll down here, scroll down and go to your privacy and safety. Click on your privacy and safety, and the next step is for you to scroll down and click on restricted accounts. Click on restricted accounts, and here if you can see, I did not have anyone that I have restricted here. So if I wanted to add someone that I want to restrict on my messenger, just click on this button here that look like a email here. Click on it here now, and now search for the person that you want to restrict. You want to block the person from going into your messenger, like sending messages to you, chatting, sending a voice call, sending files to you. So these are the ways you can do it. And the next step is to search for that person. Click on the person here and click on restrict. Now these are things that you will restrict from the person. Move the chat out of sight. You will not see the chat from that person. And hide your activities. The person will not see if you are online or you are not online. And restrict anytime. You can restrict the person if you have time, if in another time that you want to restrict. But for now you want to restrict, and you can unrestrict. Just click on restrict and you have restrict the person. Couldn't restrict, or just click on OK. And yeah, once you click on restrict, it's going to click is going to work instantly for you. So guys, please, if you found this video helpful, do me a favor, click the like button, please share and comment. Thank you guys.